अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। So in last lecture we have seen Earth's gravitational force, right? Earth's gravitational force. So now they are asking us to find the gravitational force due to Earth on Mahendra in the earlier example. Now you have to remember this value, mass of the Earth. Mass of the Earth, you have to remember this value. With for
Excuse me,
a
sir.
body, for a body and for Earth. Yes.
Sir, you said that you will show the time of descent and total time for flight.
Okay. 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 What was left? Time of descent, na?
Time of descent. Yes.
Time of descent. Okay. ठीक है. Time of descent. So the particle from the top point to the bottom, right? Particle starts from top to bottom. This is time of descent, and from bottom to top, this was time of ascent, right? And
Yes.
if you remember, time of ascent we got u by g. Okay. Now we'll see what is time of descent. So what is the velocity at top? That will be
Zero.
the initial, na? Because we are calculating, we are considering top point as zero, top point as initial. Okay. And if the particle initial velocity was u, okay, initial velocity when we threw it, okay, यहाँ से यहाँ गया वो जीरो होगा, राइट? तो यहाँ से यहाँ पे जब आएगा तो उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी? You know that the velocity with which we are throwing, on receiving we get the same velocity, right?
Yes.
Remember this for total complete flight. If you throw it with u, 1 minute, when you throw it with u, okay, so the final velocity will be u only. Okay. इस पे बात हुई है हमारी, आई गेस पॉइंट नंबर 3 और 2, right? So time
Yes.
of descent, so time of descent will be from here, I am showing this, okay, from here to here, it will be time of descent. So v is equal to u plus at. What is v? What is the value of v?
U.
U. Is it plus or minus? We take plus as above one. So where is the direction?
It is minus.
Negative.
Minus, because the direction is below, na? So minus u. What is this? Zero, na?
Yes.
Initial velocity we are calculating from here. This is zero plus, what is the value of a?
G.
G or minus g?
Minus G.
Minus g, always minus. Okay, for this case, if you take upside as positive, then g will always act downwards, so you have to take it negative. Okay, and this is t, so you get minus u is equal to minus gt. So t is equal to minus u by minus g. This minus minus got cancelled, and you got time of descent. Therefore time of descent, okay, descent it is, but we'll see, time of descent equal to u by g. Okay, it is t, make it t, time of descent. So time of descent is u by g. Okay, and the last point, that is total time of flight. टोटल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें बुक्स में नहीं है, बट आपको ये एक्सरसाइज में मिलेंगे. वी विल नीड दिस थिंग्स इन टोटल टाइम. Okay, for total time you will consider the entire motion, na? From here
Yes.
to here. Okay. Okay, so I will apply second equation, s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, s equal to ut plus half at square. What is the s in this total journey? What is displacement? This is the initial and this is final. So
Zero.
since displacement is 0 vertical में, okay, that's why 0 equal to u into t plus half. What is the value of g?
Sir, how
Acceleration क्या है?
s is equals to 0?
See, you are
Minus
starting from
g.
here, you gone like this and you came back like this. ठीक है, एक ही बात होता है, बस उसको थोड़ा साइड में लेके बताते हैं. ये ओवरलैप होते हैं ना ऐसे,
Yes.
तो उसको ऐसे साइड में करके बताते हैं. ठीक है, सो यू विल सी इनिशियल पोजीशन एंड फाइनल पोजीशन इज सेम. टोटल टाइम मतलब यू आर गोइंग एंड कमिंग बैक. ठीक है, सो इसको हम थोड़ा ऐसे ओपन करते हैं ताकि दिखे आपको दोनों मोशंस. इसमें ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं है. ठीक है, तो एक ही बात है, बट उसको थोड़ा साइड में बनाया है. ओके, क्लियर है?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And in this one more thing, what is the value of g? Acceleration minus g ना,
Minus g.
क्योंकि नीचे लग रहा है माइनस जी, और u ऊपर लग रहा था. ये देखो पार्टिकल ऊपर है ना इनिशियली.
Yes.
ओके, सो यू विल गेट ut minus half gt square is equal to 0. Take 1t common. U minus half gt is your t. I have taken 1t as common. Okay, t and t one gone outside. So here we will be left 1t, that is g and t. Half as it is, g as it is, and 1t is left. And here t has gone outside, only u is left. Okay, so you got t into u minus half gt is equal to 0. Okay, ये क्लियर है आपको यहाँ तक? All
Sir,
of you
please
writing the
explain
chat.
once again.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 है. ओके, पार्टिकल्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0 लाइक दिस एंड लाइक दिस. ठीक है, so that is 0. I have applied second equation of motion. Okay, second equation of motion. So ut plus half acceleration is value is minus g and t square. Okay, तो सॉल्व करने पे प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, तो ut माइनस हाफ जी टी स्क्वायर. ओके, u माइनस हाफ जी टी इंटू टी. इसमें से t कॉमन लिया, ये देखो 1t हैव टेकन कॉमन. यहाँ पे 2 t's है ना, इसको ऐसे लिखो एक
Yes.
मिनट के लिए. देखो 2 t's है, तो ये t और ये t कॉमन बाहर आया, बचा क्या? हाफ जी टी इज लेफ्ट
Yes.
and u is left. Okay, so t into u minus half gt is 0. Okay,
Yes.
यहाँ तक क्लियर है? चैट में लिखो. Now there is one more concept that is of chapter 2 quadratic equation. ठीक है, वो थोड़ा समझाना पड़ेगा, इसलिए यहाँ तक क्लियर है कि बोल लो. Okay, now see, यू गॉट द मल्टीप्लीकेशन, इनके बीच में क्या है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन है ना, एक ये टर्म है और एक ये टर्म है, ठीक है, हम ये लिखते नहीं है, तो इतना तो आइडिया होना चाहिए, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, ओके। सो यू आर गेटिंग द मल्टीप्लीकेशन of two number as 0, right? You are getting the multiplication of these two number as 0, means either if it may be this
One
0,
number is zero.
one number is 0, it can be t, see like this, if you take 0 into 6 you will get 0, or you take 6 into 0, अगर एक भी 0 हो जाए तो आंसर 0 आएगा, right? So we
Yes.
can, so therefore we have to say that you have to write like this, therefore t is equal to 0, ठीक है, ये जो पहला टर्म है इक्वल टू 0 होगा, या और ये टर्म इक्वल टू 0, u माइनस हाफ जी टी इज इक्वल टू 0, दो पॉसिबिलिटी आएगी, आइदर दिस और दिस, ठीक है, ये या ये, कोई ना कोई 0 होगा, ठीक है। तो आप t इक्वल टू 0 पे कहाँ होगे, t इक्वल टू 0 पे कहाँ होगे आप,
Rest.
ग्राउंड पे ही हो,
Same place.
ग्राउंड पे ही होगे ना, यहाँ से निकल रहे होगे आप, तो यहाँ पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना है,
Zero.
इनिशियली,
Zero.
देखो देखो t इक्वल टू 0 पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 है, ठीक है, और
Yes.
t इक्वल टू ये t टाइम पे वो भी देखना है कितना है। सो देयरफॉर एक आंसर आपको यहाँ मिल गया, अब ये सॉल्व करना है आपको, ठीक है। सो दिस ऑन सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट, ठीक है, सो u इज इक्वल टू, सेंड इट दैट साइड, हाफ जी टी, okay, bring 2 here, 2u is equal to gt, bring g down, 2u by g is your total time of flight, ठीक है, 2u by g is your total time of flight, ठीक है।
Yes.
अभी आपने टाइम ऑफ असेंट देखा कितना था, u by g, ठीक है, ये अलग है, टाइम ऑफ डिसेंट देखा वो भी u by g, टोटल टाइम कितना होगा, कैन आई
2u
से
by g.
टाइम ऑफ असेंट प्लस टाइम ऑफ डिसेंट, ऐसे भी कर
Yes.
सकते थे,
U by g.
हाँ, सो इट इज u by g प्लस u by g, व्हाट इज आंसर, तो u by g,
2u by g. 2u by g.
ठीक है, ये देखो ये भी वही आया ना, ठीक है।
Yes.
सो आपको क्लिक होना चाहिए, टोटल टाइम पूछा है तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 होगा, टॉप पॉइंट तक जाना है तो वेलोसिटी 0 होगा, ओके। सेकंड इक्वेशन इसलिए यूज किया क्योंकि इसमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 है और इस इक्वेशन में s और t है, हमें h की बात नहीं करनी है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, h 0 हो गया ना, s डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 हो गया, ठीक है, तो वो 0 होगा सेकंड इक्वेशन में, ओके, ऐसे सोचना है आपको। दिस थिंग्स यू विल सॉल्व इन क्वाड्रेटिक, ओके, ऐसे इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे आपको, वहां आप इसको डीप में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। If you have written, write D in the chat. So time of ascent और time of descent इक्वल होते हैं, ठीक है, और टोटल टाइम वो दोनों का एडिशन होता है, ओके। सो टोटल टाइम का हाफ होगा टाइम ऑफ ascent और हाफ होगा टाइम ऑफ डिसेंट, राइट, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं। Now come to next point, that numerical. which I was taking initially. And this whatever is taught, this will directly come in your exercise. Okay, it will directly come in your exercise. Now see, calculate the gravitational force due to earth on Mahindra in the earlier example. Okay, now they are saying gravitational force of the earth. So they have given mass of earth. So they have considered it as m1. Okay, is equal to m1 is how much? You have to remember this value. Okay, it is
6 into 10 raised
6
to 24 kg.
24 kg. ये वैल्यू आपको याद होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, मास ऑफ द अर्थ. सेकेंड, रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ ऑल्सो. Radius of earth, that is how much?
6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter.
So they have represented it with r 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. And Mahendra's mass, previous example, what was that?
75 kg.
Mahendra's mass, will take m2, that is 75 kg. Okay, and this g, gravitational constant, this also you have to remember. This remember. Okay, 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so using the force law, so that is F equal to G m2 by r square. So they are asking the gravitational force between this earth and here is your Mahendra. Okay, so where you have to take अर्थ का पॉइंट कहाँ लेते हैं आप? कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं सारा मास
At the center.
एट द सेंटर. ये सारा मास उठा के यहाँ रख दो. सो यू विल गेट लाइक दिस. और इनके बीच में का सेपरेशन इज द रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, हियर इज योर एंटायर अर्थ, हियर इज योर महेंद्र. सो द सेपरेशन इज रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. रेडियस है नहीं है, ठीक है, कैपिटल आर. सो दिस, just put the value now. So I will solve it little here. G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. M1 is, just pay attention on board. ठीक है, समझ में नहीं आएगा बाद में ये. 10 raised to 24 बाद में लिखो आप, ऑलरेडी नोटबुक में टेक्स्ट बुक में है ये. M2 75 upon r square 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 square. Okay, I have just put the values here, 1 2 3 and this 4 values I have just substituted in that formula. So you will see here 6.67 into 6 into 75. Okay, into, see, same base, 10 raised to 24 plus minus 11. Okay, same base and multiplication there, so we have to add them. So I have written 24 as it is plus this minus 11. Okay, and here you will get 6.4 square, 6.4 square into 10 raised to 6 square. ठीक है, 10 raised to 6 square. Okay, so in previous example also we have seen 6.67 into 6. If you remember this, it is better. That comes to be 40.02 into 75 upon 6.4 square. So we have to take 6.4.
40.96. 40.96.
How much? 40.96.
96.
Okay. So I'll just once I'll just solve it here. 16. 16. 1 carry. 25. 24. 2 carry. 26. 38. So 6, 9, 0, and 1 carry. 4. So decimal 1 plus 1, 2. 1 decimal and 1 decimal 2. So that comes 40.96 into, and this 24 minus 11,
10 raised to
24,
13.
13, and this 6 a raised to m raised to n, a raised to mn, right? So it's 6 into 2, 12. Okay, 40.02 into 75 into 10 raised to 13, 40.96 into 10 raised to 12. Okay. So I am doing this approximation. इसको approx कर रहा हूँ मैं. I can say this as 40. बहुत छोटा है ना ये. Into 75 into 10 raised to 13. 10 raised to 12. Okay.
Sir, we will not multiply 40 into 75.
Yes, I am multiplying that. $75 2s are 150 and 4s are 300. So that comes to
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
So should I rub this left side?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so that is 3,000 3,000 into 10 raised to 13, okay, upon 40.96. And see what property I have taught. 1 upon a raised to m becomes a raised to minus m when it goes in the numerator. So that will become 10 raised to minus 12. ओके, नीचे प्लस है तो ऊपर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So it is 3,000 into 10 raised to 13 plus minus 12 upon 40.96. Okay, 40.96. So I'll just divide it here, little bit approximations. 3,541 suppose. Approx I am doing 41 sevens are 287. 4 sevens are 28. 7 ones are 7. So here is left 13 and 130. So 41 threes are
73.
123. 123. Okay, so 7 is left, and we'll borrow 1 0. Okay, and 110 is left here. ठीक है, उसको बाद में कर देंगे. और 70. So approximately it is coming 2s are. If 732 कर रहे हैं, इसको कम किया है, इसको बढ़ाया है. ठीक है, so answer is nearly coming 732. So we have approximated this. इसकी actual value आती है 3001.5. Let me check it once. ओके इसकी अप्रोक्सीमेट इसकी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू आती है 3001.5. ओके एंड दिस इज 40.96. तो जब ये अप्रोक्स किया है हमने तो हमारा आंसर आ रहा है 732 न्यूटन. वी हैव अप्रोक्सीमेटेड दिस एंड एक्चुअल आंसर कमिंग वो भी लिख देता हूं मैं. एक्यूरेट वैल्यू दैट इज 3001.5 into 10, ये 10 है ना, 10⁻⁻1 upon 40.96. So this comes to be 732.7. ओके सो इसको उन्होंने 733 बनाया है. ठीक है, एज पर द आंसर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके हाँ ये कैलकुलेशन
Yes,
आपको
sir.
क्लियर है? राइट इन द चैट. दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटेड वैल्यू एंड दिस इज एक्यूरेट वैल्यू. ठीक है, इसको भी अप्रोक्स किया है लास्ट में. एक्यूरेट ये है. So you write both the things. So if you have written, write D in the chat.
Sir, we have to write this in CW.
हाँ यस. अब बाद में टेक्स्ट बुक से कॉपी कर लेना. ठीक है, जब से क्या कर रहे थे आप?
Sir, I have taken screenshot.
Okay, later on you can write it in the notebook. Okay, so example 2, they have said starting from rest. So they have given one thing to us. What is that? Starting from rest.
U is equals to 0.
V
U
equals
is
to 0.
equal to 0. V not U. Initial, rest, initially. Then what will be the Mahendra's velocity? So velocity of Mahindra we have to find after 1 second. So T is 1 second.
1 second.
And what will be the Mahindra velocity after 1 second? If he is falling down due to gravitational force of Earth. Okay. So U is 0 and this is 0. What is the gravitational force? Just we have found
733
733.
733 Newton.
Newton. Okay, 733 Newton. And that Mahendra's mass M2.
75 kg.
25
75.
kg.
Okay. Mahendra's mass is equal to 75 kg. Okay. And time is 1 second. So apply the formula. So you know Newton formula. F equal to
MA.
m2 into a2. Okay, taking acceleration of Mahindra as a2. Okay, so what we will get, a2 is equal to force upon mass of Mahindra, right? So this was
Yes.
m2 ना, m2 था ना, ऐसे लिखो m2 75. So you will have clarity in m1 and m2. That's why I have taken a2. It is 733 and the mass is 75. So on solving you get it 9.77. ठीक है, कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. 75 zeros are 75. Okay, then 75 nines are 675. 675 plus 75, 750. Okay, so subtract it. So 58 it comes. 75 से 25 50 होता है और 25 से 33 8 होता है, तो 50 plus 8. ठीक है, 75 से 125 का डिफरेंस 50 है. ठीक है, और उसमें और 8 ऐड करो तो 133 होगा. सो इट इज 58. नाउ टेक 0 and put the decimal. Okay, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, तो ये एक्सीड कर जाएगा. 7s are 49, 7 7s are
49.
75 into 7, so 35. We carry
525.
525, and then it is again 75
45.
होता तो 50 35, no 75 55. Okay, 55. So 55 again, so 0 525 ही आएगा, again 7 7. So you got acceleration as, so a2 is how much? 9.77 meter per second square. Okay, so this is your acceleration. Okay, so this is approximate 9.8, which in 9th standard you used to write this value for solving, right? Remember this 9.8 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
तो ये ऐसे डिराइव
Of
होता है. ठीक है,
gravity.
now we have to find the velocity after 1 second. So we'll use first equation of motion. So according to
V is equals to U plus AT.
yes, Newton's first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. This is 0, right?
Yes.
हाँ, V2 कर दो इसको ताकि सब महिंद्रा के टर्म से ये. हाँ, A2 9.77 and time is 1 is your V2.
1.
So V2 you get 9.77 meter per second. This is the velocity of Mahindra now. And previously we have solved on page number previous page. It was Mahindra's velocity previously. We got that answer as V2 as when we have found between the Mahindra and Virat. That answer we got as 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9.
Raised to minus 9 meter per second.
Okay. अभी कंपेयर करोगे आप. ओके, सो V2 ऑफ नाउ एंड दिस डिवाइड करना इनको. ओके, कितना आता आंसर देखना. 9.77 डिवाइड बाय 5.34 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 9. इसको न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट करो, क्या बनेगा ये? नीचे माइनस है, ऊपर जाके
Plus 10 raised to 9.
इट विल बिकम प्लस 9 ना, नीचे माइनस है.
Yes.
9.77 into 10 raised to 9 by 5.34. Okay, so on dividing this you will get it as 1.83 इनका आंसर आएगा into 10 raised to 9. This much times the velocity has increased. ठीक है, it is written there, so you solve it with writing things. Okay, previously, so new v2 is equal to old v2 into number of times. ऐसे लिखना, v2 new is equal to v2 old into x बोल देना. x आपका क्या है, number of times the value increased. Okay, just we have compared the old and the new value. So that's why Virat, when Virat's gravitational force and this Earth's gravitational force is dominating, right, by 10 raised to 9. बहुत ज़्यादा dominate कर रही है ना. So that's why you are not
Yes.
finding that the force which is applied by Virat on Mahindra, you don't feel that. Okay, but you can feel the force that has been applied on you by Earth. Okay, so we'll stop here. ये clear है आपको? Chat में लिख दो ये. After that force value. Wait, which one?
Sir, we have to exit because Marathi link has
Yes,
sent.
yes. You can go. If you have written, you can leave. You take the screenshot from both sections and put in the group. Homework. Okay.
Sir, you've done. Can we leave? Sir, you've done. Can we leave?